Okay, the next case is Lott, Robert, and Michelle, 2012-1239. If you would just both stand. Counsel appearing for the debtors.
A.B. Meshfisher-Cross on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Lott.
Any creditors who wish to appear in the case?
Same creditors.
Okay, Mr. Ponder. Any other creditors who wish to appear in the Lott case? Okay. Is there a Mr. Frederick here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Frederick, I understand that you had expressed some interest in the case before, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, and you understand that you may not record this session.
Yes.
Is that right? Do you have any recording equipment on you now?
No, I already set that up with the clerk of the court.
Okay, you can request a transcript,
right,
or you can request a copy of the creditors meeting from the U.S. Trustee's office.
Yeah, I already gave my
that's
full
fine.
name.
But you're not recording this now?
Oh, no. Not
Okay.
at all. Just taking
Good. Please raise your right hands. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please be seated. State for the record your names and address.
Michelle Lott, 2112 South Riverside Drive, Edgewater, Florida, 32141.
Okay. And your name, sir?
Robert Lott,
And where do you live?
2112 South Riverside Drive, Edgewater, Florida, 32141.
Okay, good. Did you guys get a copy of the bankruptcy information sheet, or have you read one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you list all of your property and all of your debt in the schedule?
Yes.
Did you sign the schedules and swear that they were accurate?
Yes.
And you've reviewed the information filed with the court. Is everything correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay, good. Have either one of you filed bankruptcy before and not related to the corporation?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Social Security cards and photo IDs. Thank you. All right, good. And for the record, I've identified the debtors using their Florida driver's license. The number on the Social Security cards presented matches those used in the bankruptcy schedules. All right. Now, there was the house at South Riverside Drive, and you have a mortgage on the home. What's going to happen to the house?
It's in foreclosure.
It's in foreclosure. They've started the foreclosure procedures now?
Yes, sir.
That was the Bank of New York? Okay.
Yes.
And when was the last time you guys made a payment on the house?
February 2011.
Okay. Do you own any other land or real estate at this time?
No.
No.
You said that when you filed the bankruptcy, and that was on January 31st, that you had $20 of cash. Is that right?
Yes.
Did you have any more currency anywhere?
No, sir.
Any currency at home anywhere?
No.
Or in a safe deposit box or anywhere else?
No.
Okay. You had a Regions Bank business account. Was that for the Coronado Beach Publishing?
Yes.
Okay. And then there was also a TD Bank personal checking account. Is that right?
Yes.
Did you have any other bank accounts?
No.
We had this. This was a personal.
Oh, well,
That one.
That's Regions.
Yeah.
this is Regions and personal, and it's been closed.
It's been closed, but
Okay. When did it close?
I believe last month.
Before you filed the bankruptcy or after?
It was after.
Okay. We should amend the schedules to add that.
Wait.
I think was it before the filing, actually?
The filing date was January 31st. Okay, is this a copy of the bank account all through the date of filing or date of closing?
No, I can provide that.
Okay. Why was the bank account closed?
That's the bank account that I used for my...
No, it's not.
No, it's not?
The bank account was closed because of a second mortgage with Regions Bank.
You had another mortgage with Regions Bank?
A second mortgage on the house with Regions Bank.
So why did you close?
And we consolidated to make...
We were not getting...
Okay. Okay.
I believe the paperwork will say that we closed this.
Okay. Yeah. It should be. You should be able to get a bank statement that shows
yes.
the closing, and I need to get a copy of that. All right. You valued the personal property that you have at home. There was a living room furniture, bedroom furniture, dining room, normal furniture at the home. You had some jewelry and clothing. And you valued everything at right around $2,100. Is that an accurate value for everything that you have at the home?
We believe it is.
Yes, sir.
Did you have anything appraised or insured specifically other than just general insurance on the home and personal property?
The cars.
Okay, beside that,
No.
personal property, like jewelry, paintings, artwork,
No, sir.
nothing like that? Any firearms or hobby equipment that you own?
I have hobby equipment and firearms.
Okay, why weren't they listed in here?
They are listed.
Yeah, I'm looking at item number 8 on Schedule B that says firearms and sporting goods and hobby equipment, none. Okay, so we need to amend the schedules to add Regions Bank and firearms and hobby equipment. How much do you think they're worth?
Under $500.
Okay.
Talking a bicycle and a
Yeah.
small Beretta.
Okay, that's fine. But we do, the statement that none is not correct. Do you have any kind of pictures or books or collectibles, stamp or coin collections, records, tapes, CDs,
No.
any other collectibles?
No, sir.
So the walls are bare at home?
We have family photos and framed posters.
Okay, any artwork though that might be, that
No,
you
sir.
might have? Okay. Any collectibles of any type?
No, sir.
Okay. Then there was some IRAs. No, there are no IRAs, I'm sorry. Any stocks or bonds or investments that either one of you have?
No.
Any IRA accounts, retirement accounts of any type?
No.
Okay. There was the business, the Coronado Beach Publishing. Any other businesses that you guys have an interest in? Either one of you?
No, sir.
Okay. And then, Mr. Lott, did you own part of Coronado Beach? Who owned the other 40% of Coronado Beach?
There's a number of shareholders
Okay.
listed.
They're listed in the schedules?
Yes,
Okay.
because we also listed them as creditors as
Okay.
well.
And Mr. Lott, you didn't own any of that. Did you own any interest in any other businesses?
No.
Okay. There's a 2003 Jaguar, is that right?
Correct.
Okay. Do you owe any money on that car?
No.
Okay. And then there was an 06 scooter. What did you guys pay for it?
The scooter?
Yeah.
I think about $1,200.
$1,200. Is it running at this time?
No.
Why isn't it running?
My son borrowed it and ran it out of oil.
Okay. And then there's a 98 Honda Accord.
Yes.
That's in the other car.
Yes.
Any boats, campers, trailers, RVs, other motorcycles that you might have?
No.
Okay. Okay, and then Commercial Factors is the largest creditor that you have, and they were related to the business?
They were the printers.
The printer for the business, okay. And then there is, it says that you're both currently unemployed. How long have you been unemployed?
Since the end of 2011.
Since November for you. Did
Yes.
you work anywhere other than Coronado?
No, sir.
Okay. And then, Mr. Lott, when was the last time you worked, and where did you work?
I closed down my financial business in February of 2011, and I take an occasional consulting job.
Okay.
And I haven't had one since November.
Okay, so from February through November, how much have you received in consulting fees?
Oh, gee. Maybe $1,200.
That's it?
Yeah.
And the financial business, what kind of financial business was that? What kind of services did you provide?
Insurance and investments.
Okay. But you don't have any investments?
No.
Why not?
We did a downscale and a relocation down here in 1999 at that particular time, and that's why the walls are sort of bare and there's not a lot of value in the goods that we have, because we basically sold everything to come down here and take care of my mother.
Okay, so how much income did you receive from your financial business in the year 2010? Do you remember?
About $130,000.
Okay, but you didn't make any investments of your own or invest over time.
Basically, I was using any money that I had to help Michelle with her newspaper.
Okay, so all the money that you had for any stocks or bonds or any investments that you might have had, you liquidated them to put money into the business over the 3 years of operating.
Those were liquidated 10 years ago.
Okay.
I never replaced those.
Okay.